repeat the things, and recorded videos and recorded lectures will be helpful to you for the same. You may also take the reference of the book and my handouts that I have already shared and I will be sharing further with you by Teams, right? So let's wait for a while, maybe a minute or two, and then we will start directly. So right now I have derivation available and I will be uploading this snap for the same later after the laboratory. We have already derived the equations for the first stage, and one important question was asked to you, that why the diagram we tried to draw in the first session was not looking like the butterfly diagram, and what to do, how to modify something, maybe equation or maybe pattern or maybe our thinking, maybe our logic, to get the same thing, means the diagram like butterfly. So anybody want to share their idea about the same? I would really like to listen from you about these things. So before we proceed, before we start answering whether I or you for this question, let me just note down the equations we have already derived. So we in the morning we have derived. Can you see the screen? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So
No,
then
sir.
share it. Let me share it. Right. Can you see it now? It's paint.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have derived that x of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1, a bigger bracket, x of n plus minus 1 raised to k into x of n plus n by 2. You may repeat the things in your mind, or maybe you may also speak it loudly. You can help me here to complete the equation. X of n plus minus 1 raised to k, x of n plus n by 2 into wn raised to nk. Is it correct equation? Is it a correct equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from this we have noted down, or we have used one nomenclature, g of n and h of n, where g of n is equal to x of n plus x of n plus n by 2, and it's an integral part of the summation, right? And similarly h of n is x of n minus, because minus 1 raised to k is minus 1 quantity for odd values of k. So x of n minus x of n plus n by 2. Okay. And from that we have derived x of 2k, which is actually my even samples of in the frequency domain, even samples of x of k equals to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 g of n into wn raised to nk, and similarly x of 2k plus 1, that can give you capital X of 1, capital X of 3, capital X of 5 and capital X of 7 for capital N equal to 8, that is 8-point sequence, equals to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 h of n w n raised to nk. So when we have further written further wrote the equations for capital X of, that is x of 0, x of 2, x of 4 and x of 6, it was something like summation n equal to 0 to how much? 3, right? What should I write here? G of n w8 raised to 0. Similarly, this is n equal to 0 to 3, g of n into w8 raised to how much? How much?
N.
N. Yes. Similarly, this is equal to n equal to 0 to 3, g of n w8 raised to 2n, and similarly x of 6 is equal to n equal to 0 to 3, g of n w8 raised to 3n. If I write down for odd values of capital X, that is x of 1, x of 3, x of 5 and x of 7, then it has also the same pattern, but instead of g of n, we do have h of n into w8 raised to 0, then h of n into w8 raised to how much? N. Similarly, h of n into w8 raised to 2n and h of n into w8 raised to 3n. Is it correct? Hello, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
And the problem was like when I tried to draw the butterfly diagram, then calculation of x of 0 or any x was requiring all g of n, right? G of 0 plus g of 1 plus g of 2 plus g of 3. So this was the case, and we don't want like this. We want to have look something like something should go here, then something should go here, or something should come down with a single signal, and similarly a single signal should come down, a single signal should come down, similar to that, right? So these equations what we have arranged was not giving us as per our expectation, and I raised the question why it is like so, and what can we do to have the diagram like butterfly. So now what's your answer regarding this? What's your view regarding this? Can you tell me anything with respect to this? Hello, ક્વેશ્ચન સમજમાં આવ્યો શું કહી રહ્યો છું?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Question तो पता चला.
हाँ, it was already asked, it was given as an assignment to be completed before the laboratory right now I am conducting. So what's your answer? Now just try to focus on these equations and diagram. Okay, so you may be probably able to answer for the same. What's the mistake we are doing here? See, I am not making the mistake because I know the reason. But why I have routed the discussion like this, so that you can learn. Bolo. Okay, now let me give you a guarantee so that you can start finding out the problem into smaller region, and hint for you is equations, all equations we have derived are correct. So there is no issue with the equation. So what may be the other issue because of which we are getting the diagram like I just drawn and explained to you? बोलो आपका क्या कहना है इसके बारे में? हेलो, बोलो, कोई बोलना चाहेगा? See, such type of questions such type of question which other cannot answer or nobody can answer or few can answer has great importance. Has great importance for your evaluation. You know there is an internal component of mark. So don't be silent if you are knowing the things. If you know the things, you can share here. You may give a try also, no problem if you fail to give the final answer, right? But at least try to attempt because this has some weight. This is going to be reflected in your internal evaluation. If you have observed, if you have carefully compared your result for the subject you learned from me last time, then probably you have come to know a truth that somebody who was discussing the things, who was replying the questions in the classroom, who was taking part regularly, had scored better in the internal component. Almost 100% mark were given to such fellows. So now it's really important to say something, to speak something. बोलो कितने लोगों ने विचार किया खाना खाते टाइम 11 से 12 के लंच में? बोलो कितने लोगों ने ट्राई
ये
किया?
सर सोचता तो है पर कुछ आ नहीं रहा है कि अरेंज कैसे करें।
कोई बात नहीं, ट्राई किया तो क्या किया, चाहे गलत में वो बोल रहा हूँ, गलत तो गलत, क्या आपने कोशिश की वो मेरे साथ शेयर करो. बिकॉज सी many a times I have repeated, I am not teaching the things only I am teaching over here, but I actually want to teach you the way how you should learn, how you should find out the things you are looking for by yourself. So I am teaching you an art, how to learn the engineering, how to learn the engineering concept by yourself, right? So for that, the sequence of thought process is important. So just try to share your thought process over here so that others can also learn. आपने क्या सोचा वो बोलो, इसके लिए आपने क्या कोशिश की, चाहे फेल हो गए तो उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है, आंसर नहीं आएगा तो. Nobody is going to laugh. See, everybody is silent, so laugh करने की तो बात ही नहीं आती है. Nobody is going to laugh, and even I am not going to criticize you, right? Otherwise, I will be actually happy. Rather, I will be motivating you more if you will give a try. हाँ, अगर कोशिश करोगे तो मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी मिलेगी, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ. So here you have all the equations. You can see on the screen and just try to think about it. I am not going to give you more than 2 minutes because then it will be wastage of time, and then probably if I give more time then I will not be able to finish this topic by this laboratory. That's why I am not going to give you time more than 2 minutes. Right now it is 12:25. So let's wait for 2 minutes if you can answer or not. Alternatively, you can also ask me some questions so that you will get some direction to think. इसके ऊपर कुछ पूछोगे तो भी यानी धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. बोलो. Investigation is really an important skill, whatsoever may be the field. Whether it's an engineering, electrical engineering, or art, or science, or geology, or whatsoever, right? History. So, what's your opinion here? What's your idea here? बोलो कुछ तो बोलो. It's 12:26. You have 1 minute left. You have only 1 minute left.
सर अगर ये ऐसे अरेंज करें तो g of 0 h of 0 g of 1 h of 1,
बोलते जाओ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
मतलब x of k का तो हम सीक्वेंस चेंज नहीं कर सकते ना, पर हम ये g और h जो है उनको इस तरह से कर सकते हैं, g of 0 h of 0 g of 1 h of 1 g of 2 h of 2 ऐसे ही g of 3 h of 3।
वो तो हमने लिखा ही था, लेकिन फिर भी मैं डिनाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ तुम्हारी बात की। तो तुम्हारे आंसर में कुछ दम है, लेकिन ज्यादा सोचो। जी ऑफ तो मैंने लिखा ही था ना, यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा था। इनपुट्स वेर मेंशन टू बी जी ऑफ एंड एच ऑफ, जी ऑफ 0, जी ऑफ 1, जी ऑफ 2, जी ऑफ 3, राइट? एंड देन सिमिलरली h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, and then we have mentioned the outputs like capital X of 0, capital X of 1, capital X of 2. So what exactly you are trying to say here? मैंने डिनाई नहीं किया, यानी तुम्हारा आंसर में कुछ तो है, बराबर?
रीअरेंजमेंट इनका,
यानी क्या करूं?
मतलब ऐसे g of 0 फिर h of 0 g of 1 फिर h of 1।
हाँ, करके दिखाओ, बोलो मैं क्या करूं? जी के बाद में क्या लिखूं? h लिखूं? You should have, as I already told you many a times, you should have rough paper, pen, calculator. Even right now I am having calculator with me, right? Whenever you are learning the subject, having so much of math, you should have calculator. You must have calculator. You should have rough papers, pen, pencil, etc. So just try to find out the answer. Let me give you one more minute, because you have ignited some thought here, so let me give you a minute more if you can do it. Rearrangement is a common word and I am also using it frequently. So yes, of course, rearrangement, but what exactly? Rearrangement of what and how? That's an important thing here. बोलो, दराव बोलना चाहोगे कुछ इसके बारे में? Are you there? Hello, are you there, Dharav? Yes or no? So he is absent. He is absent right now. Yes, he is absent. बोलो अनुज, बोलना चाहोगे कुछ?
सर आइडिया नहीं है इसका।
सोचो सोचो, देव कुछ बोलना चाहोगे? देव, हेलो, आर यू देयर और स्लीपिंग? ओके। मंथन, बोलो आप लोगों में से कोई भी, सबको एक एक नाम मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं मुझे हर एक से पूछना पड़ेगा। सोचो, मैं सभी से बोल रहा हूँ, बोलो। हाँ, okay, time is over and now I should give you the answer directly. See, there are three terms here. If you can tell me those terms. One is your x of k. What are the other terms? दूसरी कौन सी टर्म्स? हाँ, यानी g ऑफ और h ऑफ को मैंने एक ही गिना है, तो ये तो दो हुई। तीसरी कौन सी टर्म है?
x of n।
यस, बोलो, अभी ये हिंट थी। अब अभी बोलो कुछ, अभी बोलो कुछ। ये तो मैंने हिंट दी आपको, बोलो।
ये g of n और h of n को अगर हम सॉल्व करते हैं तो x of n हमको g of n और h of n के टर्म्स में मिलता है।
यानी क्या करना पड़ेगा?
एलिमिनेशन मेथड।
नहीं, नो एलिमिनेशन मेथड, नो एलिमिनेशन मेथड की कोई जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे। सोचो, मैंने ऐसा क्यों बोला कि तीन टर्म है? क्यों ऐसा बोला? Because now let me give you the answer directly. Because still we need to further derive to get the relation between x of k and g's, right? Right now you should draw for relation between g of n, h of n and x of n. So you should first draw the inputs rather than outputs. So let me put it here, right? let me arrange the x of n, right? So this is x of 0, then x of 1, then x of 2, then x of 3, right? X of 4, 5, 6, 7. So g of 0 is x of 0 plus x of 4, correct? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is like this. Similarly, g of 1 is equal to x of 1 plus x of 5.
X of 5.
Now can you see a butterfly? Say yes or no. Can you see a butterfly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me further complete it. Yes, this one. Then like this. 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 Okay. So similarly drawing for the next term, g of 2 is equal to x of 2 plus x of 6, and of course the last term g of 3 is equal to x of 3 plus x of 7. Any doubt in this particular? Hello, any doubt in this particular?
No, sir.
So can I draw the h of 0, h of 1 like this with a minus 1 sign, of course, somewhere over here? Correct or not? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we have a butterfly, right? तो सॉल्यूशन मतलब ये है कि सॉल्यूशन आपके सामने ही होता है. You just need to concentrate. You just need to concentrate, right? So this is your stage number 1, right? This is your stage number 1. If you compare the stage number 1 of this decimation in frequency with stage number 3, right, of the decimation in time, what are your observation? Can you share some observation? What are the differences you can see here? DIT का
यहाँ
स्टेज,
पे
हाँ
यहाँ
हाँ
पे
बोलो,
एक बड़ी बटरफ्लाई है फर्स्ट स्टेज पे, वहां पर
बराबर, बोलो बोलो.
छोटी छोटी, मतलब वहां पर तो दो सिग्नल से मिलकर जो एक बनती थी वैसी
हाँ
वाली
तो
आती है
वहां पे
सारी
बड़ा कब था? लास्ट स्टेज में था, जबकि यहाँ पे
लास्ट
बड़ा
स्टेज
कब
में।
है? पहले स्टेज के अंदर है. चलो ये बराबर है. दूसरा क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है? बोलो, दूसरा ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? दूसरा क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है? बोलो.
इनपुट हमारा सीक्वेंस में है।
हाँ वो तो पहले बोल दिया था. तो उसके अलावा ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? दूसरा कुछ ग्रेट ऑब्जर्वेशन?
ट्विडल फैक्टर नहीं है।
ट्विडल फैक्टर अभी नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन दिखेगा जब आप आगे का स्टेज ड्रॉ करोगे, तब पता चलेगा कि ट्विडल फैक्टर्स आर समवेयर ओवर हियर, राइट? यहाँ पे कहीं पे आएंगे ट्विडल फैक्टर, देखेंगे हम ड्रॉ करने के बाद पता चलेगा, बराबर? तो यहाँ ये एरोज, ये दो टर्म्स जब कंबाइन होती है, ऐड होती है, उसके बाद ट्विडल फैक्टर अप्लाई होता है. जबकि DIT के अंदर ट्विडल फैक्टर कहाँ होता है? इनपुट साइड पे, स्टेज के इनपुट साइड पे, यानी यहीं पे यहाँ पे कहीं पे होता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड. एंड वाई वी आर नोटिंग डाउन दिस, why we are putting these things into the words, so that you can remember and so that you will not be doing any mistake in drawing of DIT and DIF. ये छोटी छोटी बातें अगर हम बोलेंगे, याद करेंगे, तो भूल नहीं होगी. Otherwise it is not mean to write when I will be asking the difference between DIT and DIF. तब जाके कोई ऐसा लिखेगा कि ट्विडल फैक्टर यहाँ पे वो वहाँ था और वहाँ पे यहाँ था, तो ये डिफरेंस नहीं गिना जाएगा, इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर द नेगेटिव मार्क, बिकॉज आपको पता है कि मैं ऐसी कम रिलेटेड या जिसका रिलेशन नहीं है ऐसी चीजें कंसीडर नहीं करता हूं। मैंने एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज में भी ना बोला है, मोर एफिशिएंट ये सब लिखने का, बराबर। तो दिस वे we are actually trying to remember the diagram. Okay, when we say that twiddle factors are at the output side or there is a bigger butterfly at the input stage, it simply mean to help us for remembering the diagram, nothing else. Okay, so now I am going to note down the equations of other stages, and that I am not going to derive, you will have to derive it by yourself, because now you know the procedure, how to derive the equations. You have already practiced for decimation in time, and I have also teach you the derivation for the first stage of DIF. So for other two stages, you will have to derive it by yourself. So let me just note down the equations useful for drawing the stage number 2 and similarly stage number 3, of course. Okay, पहले इसका स्नैप ले लिया,
Yes,
स्नैप
sir.
ले लो, हाँ बराबर। चलो तो अभी बाकी के इक्वेशंस में लिखता हूँ, लिखते जाओ मेरे साथ। हमने x ऑफ k, x ऑफ 2k और x ऑफ 2k प्लस 1 लिखा है। इसी तरह से हम लिखेंगे x ऑफ 4k, x ऑफ 4k और x ऑफ 4k प्लस 2 बराबर x ऑफ 4k इक्वल्स टू n इक्वल टू 0 टू n बाई 2 माइनस 1। अभी डेसिमेशन किसके ऊपर होगा? g ऑफ के ऊपर होगा, तो g ऑफ n प्लस g ऑफ n प्लस n बाई 4, राइट। टोटल 4 सैंपल है तो उसमें उसका भी आधा यानी n बाई 4 होगा, into Twiddle factor. If you know the symmetry, you can directly say that it should be n by 4 raised to nk, right? Yes. Similarly, equation for x of 4k plus 2 equals to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1. कैन यू हेल्प मी? बोलो क्या आएगा? बोलो क्या आएगा?
h of n minus
h of n, g of n, हाँ सॉरी यस यू आर करेक्ट, h of n, h of n आएगा नहीं, ये g of n में बराबर लिखा था, क्योंकि हाँ g of k की 2 पार्ट पड़ेंगे ना, इस वजह से। फिर जो h of आप बोल रहे हो वो ये 4k प्लस वाले में आएगा, बराबर 4k प्लस 2 में नहीं आएगा। तो g of n माइनस g of n प्लस n बाई 4 इंटू w n बाई 4 रेज टू nk. Just make note of these things in your notebook.
सर इसमें समेशन की लिमिट n by 4 माइनस में 1 नहीं होगी?
Yes, it is also n by 4. I have mistaken here. N by 4. This is n by 4, n by 4. Correct. So similarly, writing for the other terms, because here if you put k, value of k, it will be कौन सी आएगी? x of, कौन से x of आएंगे? चलो k इक्वल टू 0 रखोगे तो x of 0 मिलेगा, यहाँ पे k इक्वल टू 0 रखोगे तो x of 2 मिलेगा, बराबर। तो यहाँ मुझे कौन से मिल रहे हैं? 2, then 6, then बोलो और कौन सा मिलेगा?
14 नहीं है।
हाँ तो 14 तो आएगा नहीं ना, क्योंकि ये
नहीं ना,
दूसरा
बस यही
डेसिमेशन
रहेगी।
है, तो 2 ही बार k को वेरी करना है। तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा बोलो, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा?
0 and 4।
0 एंड
0 and
4। तो 0 2 4 6 को हमने 0 4 में कंबाइन किया, बराबर। आप जानते हो कि आगे के स्टेज में E1 को हमने x ऑफ 2k के अंदर कौन कौन से सैंपल आएंगे? कैपिटल X ऑफ 0, कैपिटल X ऑफ 2, कैपिटल X ऑफ 4, कैपिटल X ऑफ 6। डू यू एग्री विथ मी? आगे जब हमने x ऑफ 2k का इक्वेशन लिखा था उसमें कौन कौन से आएंगे? k की वैल्यू 0 से लेके हमको 3 तक वेरी करनी है। क्या क्या आएंगे? कैपिटल X ऑफ 0, कैपिटल X ऑफ 2, कैपिटल X ऑफ 4 और कैपिटल X ऑफ 6। तो थियरी के हिसाब से अभी जो नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन में लिखूंगा, यानी ये वाले, ये 2 इक्वेशन, तो उसमें कौन कौन से कंबाइन होने चाहिए? एक में ये दोनों और एक में ये दोनों। डू यू एग्री विथ मी? से यस और नो?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
बराबर। तो यहाँ पे k की लिमिट में आधे तक वेरी कर रहा हूँ, बराबर। पहले जब मैंने 0 से 3 किया था, तो अभी मैं k कहाँ से कहाँ रन करूंगा? 0 और 1 ही करूंगा। k should be varied from 0 to 1. So 0 and 1 result into capital X of 0, capital X of 4. Similarly, when k is varied from 0 to 1 for this equation, it will give you capital X of 2 and capital X of 6. Okay, so this is one set of equation, right? And as we have disseminated on this equation, that's why it should give you 0, 2, 4, 6 samples only. 0 and 4 together and 2 and 6 together. So similarly, writing for the other odd parts, that is x of 2k plus 1 will give me capital X of 1, capital X of 3, capital X of 5 and capital X of 7. So now in the next derivation, that is for which result I am going to write down the result over here without derivation, I should club these two terms together and similarly these two terms together. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what should I write down instead of 4k?
4k plus 1.
4k plus
Yes, 4k plus 1. And what should be the other term?
4k plus 3.
Yes, 4k plus 3. What should it include, g of n or h of n?
H of n.
Yes, you are very correct. So it should be n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1. Now you know h of n, right?
Yes,
Plus
h of n plus n by 4.
n plus n by 4 multiplied by w n by 4 raised to nk. And similarly, writing for these will result into n equal to 0 to, it should result into n by 4 minus 1, then h of n minus h of n plus n by 4 whole multiplied by w n by 4 raised to nk. Please make note of these equations, right? As you know, when k is varied, again I have lost the, yes, pointer is here. When I am varying k from 0 to 1, it will pick up capital X of 1 and 5 for this equation, and similarly k is varied from 0 to 1, it will pick up x of 3 and x of 7 for this equation. Okay, just take snap of this particular. લઈ લીધો સ્નેપ?
yes sir.
Yes sir.
ઓકે, તો આને પણ આપણે કંઈક નામ આપવું પડે. આ તો સ્ટેજ નંબર 2 માટેનું છે. સ્ટેજ નંબર 2 માટેના ઇક્વેશન્સ છે આ બધા, બરાબર. સ્ટેજ 2. આને પણ આપણે કંઈક નામ આપવું પડે. આ g of n plus g of n plus 4 પછી આ ક્વોન્ટિટી, પછી આ ક્વોન્ટિટી અને આ ક્વોન્ટિટીને નામ આપવા પડે ને કંઈક, બરાબર છે? હા કે ના? હે ભાઈ? તો શું નામ આપીશું બોલો?
Yes, sir.
શું નામ આપીશું આપણે?
PQBC.
Yes, PQBC. So let us give the name to this particular and let us write down the equation again, right? So oh, help me out. બોલો શું લખવું જોઈએ? X of 4k equal to
4k summation n running from 0 to n by 4 minus 1 P of n Wn by 4 raised to nk.
yes, P of n W n by 4 is to nk. And similarly, writing for this PQ, right? Should it be Q? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Q of n Wn by 4 raised to nk. Similarly, let me write down for this particular x of 4k plus 1 over here only, so that it will be easy for me. I will not need to move down the page. Summation n equal to 0 to, but you should write it down later in the examination, right? N by 4 minus 1 B of n W n by 4 is to nk. And similarly, x of 4k plus 3 equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 C of n into Wn by 4 raised to nk. Take snap of this particular. Take snap of this particular. લઈ લીધો snap.
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you a question. If I ask you to draw the stage number 2, which variable will be, or which signals will be the input signals and which signals will be the output signal? स्टेज नंबर 2 के इनपुट कौन से हो गए, आउटपुट कौन से हो गए?
G and H are input and PQBC are output.
Yes, you are very correct. P and Q are the output. So P and Q are the output of the second stage, so it must be the input of the third stage. And from Pn, Qn, Bn and Cn only, will be able to draw the capital X source. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us draw then, right? Let us draw the diagram. Just remember this equation, just take snap of this particular, and I am going to ask you for these equations. I am going to ask you for this equation, right? Let me take a new one. So stage from stage number 2. So output of the first stage are G of 0, G of 1, G of 2, G of 3, H of 0, H of 1, H of 2, H of 3. I should relate it with the PQ, etc. So P of 0, P of 1, Q of 0, Q of 1, B of 0, B of 1, C of 0 and of course C of 1. So what is P0? By equation P0 is equal to,
G of 0 plus G of 4.
yes, G of 0 plus G of 4. How? Because this is n and this is n plus n by 4. So putting n equal to 0, we have G of 0 plus G of 0 plus 8 by 4, that is
2.
2. So let me draw it here. G of 0 plus G of 2, right? Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, G of 3 is equal to, or P of 1 equal to G of 1 plus G of 3. So like this. What about Q0? It is equal to Qn plus
Minus.
or minus. Yes, it should be minus. Qn minus Qn के Gn.
Gn minus G2.
Yes,
Gn.
Gn. Please be careful. G and Q appears very similar. So when you write it down in the supplementary, in the answer book, you should be careful, right, about
तो
this.
ये G
G
of
and
0
Q.
minus G of 2.
Q लिखोगे तब ऐसा आना ही चाहिए, G लिखोगे तब इस तरह से आना ही चाहिए. दोनों चीज मुझे अलग दिखनी चाहिए. कोई जानबूझ के नजदीक का ड्रॉ करेगा तो मैं समझूंगा कि he or she is not confirm about G or Q. That's why to hide the things, he or she have attempted like this, right? So be careful about G and Q, how to write G and how to write Q. So G of n minus G of n plus n by 4 results into how much? G of 0
G of
minus
0 minus G of 2.
okay. So it is like this, of course with a minus 1 in between. It is like this, of course with the minus 1 in between. So can we draw the similar things for the remaining terms?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like these. And so why Peeble factors are not appearing? Just try to correlate the equation and tell me. Where should I put Peeble factor and which particular Peeble factor? And why? Just try to correlate the equations. Try to correlate the equations. And tell me where should I put the Peeble factors. कौन सा इक्वेशन बोल रहा है कि ट्विडल फैक्टर आएगा? कहाँ है ट्विडल फैक्टर बोलो?
कैपिटल एक्स ऑफ के।
और इस स्टेज में मतलब ये हुआ कि इस स्टेज में नहीं आएंगे, ये है इसका मतलब क्या निकाले हम? इसमें भी होने चाहिए ना, हर एक स्टेज में ट्विडल फैक्टर हो गए ना। अगर नहीं है तो मतलब तो ये हुआ कि इसका टोटल नंबर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन और भी कम हो जाएगा। You will require less numbers of complex multiplication if that will be the case, right? But it's not. So try to find out the location for the Twiddle factor based on the equation. इक्वेशन देखो और बोलो कि ट्विडल फैक्टर कहाँ पे आएंगे।
Get PO मतलब output after the output आप getting output after P of 0 P of 1.
हाँ वो तो मैंने बोल दिया है, पहले स्टेज में भी बोल दिया था, लेकिन ये कौन से इक्वेशन पे से आपको लग रहा है? You need to correlate the equations with the diagram. That's what the point here is. बोलो कहाँ पे इक्वेशन में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? कहीं पे होना चाहिए ना। है कहीं पे इक्वेशन में?
Yes sir, x of 4k and x of 4k plus 2 1.
वो तो फाइनल स्टेज के लिए है, अभी यहाँ के इक्वेशन में कहाँ पे है?
अभी तो नहीं है सर, ये P ऑफ n
तो
और G ऑफ n H
होने
ऑफ
चाहिए
n।
कि नहीं होने चाहिए? होने चाहिए कि नहीं होने चाहिए? बोलो होने चाहिए या नहीं होने चाहिए? So now it's your assignment. Find out the location of the Twiddle factor for the same. How to arrange the equations so that we will have the Twiddle factor in each of the stage, right? Right now, whatever the equation we have derived, you need to do some modification in these equations to have Twiddle factor in each of the stage. So my question for today's discussion is how to rearrange। पहले ये तो पता चला ना कि अभी के इक्वेशन के अंदर जो भी P ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू है या Q ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू है बराबर, या G ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू यानी G ऑफ n इक्वल टू है या H ऑफ n इक्वल टू है, उसमें कहीं पे भी ट्विडल फैक्टर नहीं आ रहा है। तो यहाँ अगर मेरे पास G ऑफ के इक्वेशन के अंदर या H ऑफ के इक्वेशन में ऐसा कुछ होता कि जिसमें ट्विडल फैक्टर होता तो मैं यहाँ पे रख पाता। इक्वेशन में ही नहीं है तो ट्विडल फैक्टर कहाँ से आएगा? बराबर। तो हाउ टू रीअरेंज द सेट ऑफ इक्वेशन already derived today, right? Already derived today, which will finally give me Twiddle factor in each stage of DIFFT. Are you following the question? Say yes or no. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is your today's assignment. Please take snap of these and just give some thought over here for this question, right? Try to find out the answer for the question asked to you. ये बहुत जरूरी क्वेश्चन है. किस वजह से? ये असाइनमेंट आपको मैंने बोला है कहाँ पे मैं गिनने वाला हूँ ऐसे स्पेशल क्वेश्चंस को. हर बार नहीं तो क्वेश्चन स्पेशल क्वेश्चंस का लिंकेज डायरेक्टली आपके इंटरनल मार्क के साथ है. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन बिफोर नेक्स्ट सेशन. आई थिंक वी डू हैव अ सेशन टुमारो, राइट? है कि नहीं है? हेलो, इज इट देयर?
Sir.
हाँ बोला या ना बोला?
Yes, sir, it's there.
यस. तो कल मैं ये आपसे जवाब चाहूंगा कि इक्वेशन के अंदर क्या करें जिसकी वजह से आपको यानी ये सारे स्टेजेस के अंदर ट्विडल फैक्टर मिल जाए. और दूसरा, अगर ये क्वेश्चन सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है और कोई ज़्यादा करना चाहता है तो उसके लिए ये है दूसरा क्वेश्चन कि अगर जो डेरिवेशन अभी है उसमें ट्विडल फैक्टर नहीं है तो क्या उसको फॉलो करके मैं कुछ ऐसा नया बना सकता हूँ विच विल रिक्वायर lesser computation burden compared to the algorithm of DIF we are already having. जो अभी है उससे भी ज़्यादा अगर कम करना है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. That's a question. So you are supposed to answer for this question in the next session. So now let me finally draw the diagram which we are supposed to use for solving the numerical, as well as our derivation should also match with this diagram. With the diagram I am going to draw now, right? So it's very simple and probably you may have idea now that how to draw it. अभी तक आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि कैसे ड्रॉ करना है, बराबर? So help me to draw the diagram in between whenever you feel that you are able to do so, right? So let me first take 8 numbers of line. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Okay. पेक्सा के अंदर ये सब कैसे करते हैं? कोई बोल पाएगा? पेक्सा के अंदर ये सब चीज़ें कैसे करते हैं? ये है अवेलेबल इस तरह से लाइन खींचने के लिए या ऐसे टूल्स है? हाँ या ना बोलो. हेलो, व्हाट इज पेक्सा? मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ?
सर वो जो सॉफ्टवेयर पे हम
हाँ,
एग्जाम देते
एग्जामिनेशन
हैं.
का प्लेटफॉर्म जो हम यूज करते हैं वो. कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है आपको? कुछ डिक्लेरेशन डिपार्टमेंट तरफ की हुआ है कि आपकी एग्जामिनेशन कैसे होगी? हाँ या ना?
No, sir.
नो सर.
ओके.
No, sir.
So still it is to be decided, but try to find out the answer for this. Okay, that how you will draw the diagram in the PEXA. Is it comfortable to draw there? I don't want to listen. No, you will have to find out the way by which you can comfortably draw these things, right? So बोलो क्या आएगा? इनपुट पहले लिखूं. बीट रिवर्स नहीं आएंगे अभी, बराबर है? x of 0, x
स्मॉल
of
एक्स ऑफ 0 to स्मॉल एक्स ऑफ 7.
रिवर्स नहीं आएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more thing. Many a times I will ask you the questions, optional question of the FFT only. मेन क्वेश्चन भी FFT का होगा, ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन भी FFT का हो सकता है. उस केस में क्वेश्चन नंबर राइटिंग और गिविंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन 1A may be belonging to the DIT and question 1B may be belonging to DIF. So if you write down question 1B and attempt for question 1A, I will give you 0 mark, simply 0 mark, because both questions are asking you the things about the different algorithm. So you need to be careful while giving the title to your answer, right? And of course, moreover to that, you need to clearly write down the name of the figure you are drawing, decimation in frequency, decimation in time, for capital N equal to so and so, etc. So please keep this thing in your mind that you cannot fool me, right? And I will be checking the questions, I will be checking the answers based on your title only. So now, बोलो आगे क्या आएगा, क्या करना है मुझे. पहले बड़ा बटरफ्लाई आएगा, इतना तो आपको पता चल गया है, बराबर, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so like this. And then it is like this. Where should I put the -1? In between the junction point, somewhere over here, right? -1, of course, -1. And Tidal factors are to be put here. This is correct way. W8 raised to 0, W8 raised to 1, W8 raised to 2, and W8 raised to 3. So your first stage is completed. This is your stage number 1. So tell me the name of output. You need to put here. बोलो क्या आउटपुट का नाम क्या लिखूं?
G of 0, H of 0.
Yes,
मतलब G of 0 से G of 3 and H of 0 से H of 3.
So then बोलो क्या आएगा, कैसे ड्रॉ करना है बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम, बोलो.
अभी 2 बटरफ्लाईज आएंगे.
हाँ, यानी कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाओ. आपको आउटपुट का नाम पता है, बराबर, बोलो.
P of 0, P of 1, Q of 0, Q of 1.
G of 2 से मैं यहाँ कहाँ ले जाऊंगा, यहाँ क्या नाम आएगा, P of 0, बराबर. Similarly P of 1, right? Should I write down P of 0 here? No, there should be Tidal factor in between. So let me give some space here. So here I am writing down P0, then P1, okay. Similarly drawing for the lower two signals, and somewhere over here I need to put -1, and then it is to be followed by W. बोलो क्या आएगा W, क्या आएगा W, बोलो.
4.
4
Yes,
raised to 0.
you are correct. It should be W4 raised to 0, W4 raised to 1. And similarly drawing for the remaining signals, What should I write here? Is it correct? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So this is your stage number 2. Now let us draw the final stage. So how to draw it? Capital X of 0,
0,
then
capital X of 4, capital X of 2, capital X of 6.
बोलो क्या आएगा? कहाँ ड्रॉ करूं बोलो?
Capital X of 0 will be equal to P of 0 plus P of 1.
Yes, you are very correct. Like this, with a -1 here, right? Like
Yes,
this, with a -1 here. Similarly, like this, with -1 here, and like this, with a -1 here. Where should I put Friedel factor?
On the line of X of 4, X of 6,
Yes, very correct.
X
So
of
this
5
is
and X of 7.
W2 raised to 0, then W2 raised to 0, then W2 raised to 0, then W2 raised to 0. Please take snap of this. This is decimation in frequency. Butterfly diagram, right? Butterfly diagram for decimation in frequency DIF algorithm to compute. बोलो क्या कंप्यूट करेंगे? टू कंप्यूट कंप्लीट दिस. बोलो टू कंप्यूट. क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? लास्ट वर्ड. टू कंप्यूट
Small x of n.
स्मॉल एक्स ऑफ एन. हम इससे स्मॉल एक्स ऑफ एन कैलकुलेट करते हैं.
नहीं, कैपिटल X of k है.
तो इसको क्या लिखूं? कैपिटल एक्स ऑफ के लिखना अच्छा रहेगा वर्डिंग्स में. क्या लिखूं? टू कंप्यूट एफएफटी, फास्ट फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म. इज इट करेक्ट? इज इट करेक्ट? से यस और नो. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस रिया? बराबर है?
जी सर.
बराबर. बराबर. इसको आप एक्स ऑफ के को फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन सैंपल्स भी बोल सकते हो. ये एक्स ऑफ के क्या है? एफएफटी का रिजल्ट भी है. लेकिन अगर मैंने इनवर्स रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करके बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया होता, देन व्हाट शुड बी द टाइटल? बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम फॉर डेसिमेशन इन फ्रीक्वेंसी एल्गोरिथम टू कंप्यूट. टू कंप्यूट क्या आएगा बोलो?
IFFT.
IFFT.
IFFT, inverse fast Fourier transform. So now you need to derive the relation for, means I am going to teach you the same way, right? We are going to derive the equations for IFFT. बोलो कौन कौन से इकट्ठा करूंगा पहले स्टेज में से? पहले स्टेज में से कौन कौन सा लूंगा? तो चलो ये डिराइव बाद में करते हैं, क्योंकि डिराइव करने का प्रोसीजर आप लोग जानते हो. तो ये भी आपको मैं असाइनमेंट में देता हूं, लेकिन ये असाइनमेंट आपको कल तक सबमिट नहीं करवाना है. इसके लिए मैं 2 दिन आपको ज़्यादा देता हूं. बराबर. आपको इनवर्स फास्ट फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉर DIF कब तक सबमिट करवाना रहेगा? आज हमारा है मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. थर्सडे तक आप इसको सबमिट करवाओगे. थर्सडे 11 बजे तक मुझे IFFT butterfly diagram with derivations फॉर DI एल्गोरिदम मिल जाना चाहिए। मैं किसी को जाके बोलने वाला नहीं हूँ कि तुमने क्यों नहीं किया, but ultimately it is going to be reflected in the internal components of mark. You know it very well, right? So now it's time to do numerical. Lot hell of theories are discussed today, and now it's time to get the result to verify the algorithm whether it is giving us the correct result or not. So let me take a numerical from the book itself. You should be ready with the calculator. कैलकुलेटर है ना सबके पास, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just take snap of this particular so that I can take a new one. Snap ले लिया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो ये x of 0 यहाँ पे लिखा है, 4 दूसरा ही है. New one. Don't save. Example number 9.5 in Udaya Shankar. Example number 9.5 by example number 9.5 from book written by Udaya Shankara. Maybe on page number 215 you can find it out, right? Page number may be different based on the addition. Which addition? This one or this one? हाँ? कौन सा एडिशन? हेलो,
सेकंड वाला
सेकंड
EDI.
वाला, बराबर है, एडिशन. So based on the addition, the page number may be different. So write down the numerical x of n equals to curly bracket 3, 1, 5, then 4, 2, 1, 0 and 1. Okay, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0, 1. So I can write down x of 0 equal to 3, x of 1 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 5, x of 3 equal to 4, x of 4 equal to how much? बोलो क्या आएगा?
2.
Yes, 2, then 1, then 0, then 1. This is my x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Now it's very easy to compute the output of the first stage, right? From the butterfly diagram or from the derivation, you may directly write down that g of 0 equal to how much? Huh? Before that, let us make a title. Let us make a title here. Computation for the first stage. Okay. So you know g of 0 is equal to, बोलो क्या आएगा?
X of 0 plus X of 4.
Yes. So how much it is? 3 plus 2 equals to 5. G of 1 equals to कितना आएगा बोलो जल्दी जल्दी? 1 plus 1, 2. जानबूझ के मैंने इस तरह से लिखा है ताकि आप लोग जल्दी बोल पाओ. बोलो g of 2 equal to x of 2 plus x of 6 equals to
5.
yes, it is 5. G of 3
And then
equals to yes, 3 plus 7 equals to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. एग्जाम में कुछ लोग ये लिखते ही नहीं है बीच वाला, बराबर सीधा आंसर लिख देते हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव 0 mark to such students. So these are computation for g of 0. Similarly, let us calculate for h ops. So h of 0 should be equal to, बोलो क्या
3
ना
minus
चाहिए?
2 1.
x of 0 minus x of 4.
Is it correct equation? Is it correct equation? Just refer to the butterfly diagram. Don't look to the derivation,
Twiddle
because
factor,
you need to,
twiddle factor भी
why
आएगा.
you should not look to the derivation right now, because the question is asked to you to revise the derivation so that you will have the twiddle factor in each stage. That's why you should not look to the derivation we have done today, right? But it will give you idea how to proceed. You just need to manage the things. You need to just rearrange the things. So what should be the equation of h of 0? Tell me the equation.
X of 0 minus x of 4 into w8 raised to 0.
Yes, a twiddle factor is required, w8 raised to 0. So this is how much? X of 0 is 3 minus x of 4 is 2 into w8 raised to 0 is 1. So it is equal to 1. Similarly, h of 1 equal to x of 1 minus x of 4 into w8 raised to 1. This is equal to how much? Bolo? Yes, this one is 5. बोलो क्या आंसर आएगा?
0.
Yes,
0.
no need to compute for w8 raised to 1, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. H of 2 equals to
5 into w8 raised to 2.
5 into w8 raised to 2. So this is equal to 5 into e raised to how much? Minus j 2 pi by n is how much? 8 raised to 2. So it is 5 into e raised to minus j pi by 2.
By 2.
So it is 5 cos pi by 2 minus j
Sin pi by 2.
sin pi by 2. So this is equal to 5 into
minus
0 minus j1. Correct?
Yes, sir. Minus 5j.
Yes, so it is minus j5 or 5j, whatever. Let me just circle on the results. Similarly, let us find for h of 3. This is equal to, बोलो क्या आएगा? जल्दी से
4
बोलते जाओ.
minus 1 w8 raised to 3.
4 या 3?
नहीं, 4 minus 1 into w8 raised
Oh,
to 3.
अच्छा, बराबर. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into w8 raised to 3. So 3 into e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into 3. So this is equal to 3 into e raised to minus j
3 pi by 4.
3 pi by 4. Correct. So this is equal to 3 into cos 3 pi by 4 minus j sine 3 pi by 4. Solve it and tell me the answer. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? बोलो.
Minus 2.12 minus j 2.12.
Yes, minus 2.12 point 2.12 minus j 2.12 is the correct answer. So now we have computed the result for the first stage, and from this, means considering g ops and h ops as input to the second stage, we can compute the output of the next stage. Just take snap of this particular, because I am going to ask you for the result. How much was g of 0, like such questions will be asked to you. Note it down in your notebooks. g of 0 कितना आ रहा है, g of 1 कितना आ रहा है, ये सारा का सारा नोट डाउन कर लो. बराबर, इसका स्नैप ले लो और g और h की वैल्यू लिख लो नोटबुक के अंदर. लिख ली भाई?
यस सर.
नोटबुक
Yes,
में
sir.
लिखने का बोला है, हाँ लिख दिया ना?
हाँ, नोटबुक में लिख.
अच्छा, तो अभी यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? चलो बोलो, आउटपुट फॉर दी कंप्यूटेशन फॉर दी सेकंड स्टेज. तो यहाँ पे भी आप वैल्यू लिख सकते हो, जी ऑफ 0 वगैरह. इट्स बेटर आइडिया, राइट? अभी मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं अभी आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ. बोलो क्या इक्वेशंस आएंगे? P ऑफ 0 इक्वल्स टू क्या आएगा? बराबर
G
है?
of 0 plus G of 2.
यस. सिमिलरली P ऑफ 1 इक्वल टू
G of 1 plus G of 3.
यस, G ऑफ 1 plus G of 3. What about Q? Will it have the dual factor?
Yes. G of 0 minus G of 2 into W4 raised to 0.
Yes, G of 0 minus G of 2 into W4 raised to 0. Very correct. Similarly, Q of 1 equals to
G of 1 minus G of 3 into W4 raised to 1.
G of 3 into W4 raised to 1. Let us calculate it first. So this is equal to बोलो क्या आएगा?
10.
यस 1. देखो मेरे पास रिजल्ट नहीं है, आपको बोलना
No,
पड़ेगा
10,
जो भी.
10. 5 plus 5, 10.
5. Okay, let me believe you. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. What about G1 and G3?
2 plus
2
5
plus
equal to
5
7.
equals to 7.
Okay, 2 plus 5 equals to 7. What about Q0? It means what is G0 and G2?
दोनों
5
5
minus 5, so
हो
it is
जाएगा.
0, right? 5 minus 5, W4 raised to 0, so this is 0. And what about G1 and G3? It is 2 and 5, so 2 minus 5 into W4 raised to 1, that is equal to minus 3 times W4 raised to 1. So this is equal to minus 3 into e raised to minus j 2 pi by, बोलो क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लिखूं? यस 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 है. रेस टू 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो क्या आएगा? माइनस 3 इंटू ई रेस टू माइनस जे पाई बाई 2, एंड दिस इज फर्दर इक्वल टू माइनस 3 cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2 equals to minus 3 cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1 minus minus plus, so this is equal to j3. Correct? बराबर है रिजल्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, let us find for the remaining terms, right? That is b0, b1, c0 and c1. Tell me the questions. बोलो क्या आएगा? H0
H of
plus,
zero.
h of 0 plus h of 2,
similarly this is H of 1 plus
one.
H of.
h of 3.
Ah. Now there is a symmetry. So if you cannot imagine, if you cannot recall, you may see this equation, and from this set of equations also you can write it down easily. H of 0 minus H of 2 into W4 raised to 0. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's solve for this. So this is equal to, बोलो क्या आएगा?
1 minus j phi.
1 minus j phi. Like this. Final answer. Or
Yes,
H
sir.
of 0 only.
Yes.
नहीं,
No,
final.
final.
Okay. But you should not do like this in the examination. Okay. So 1 minus j phi. Let me believe you. What about H1? H of 1 equal to
0 minus 2.12 minus 2.12 j.
0 minus 2.12 plus
Minus j 2.12.
minus j 2.12. What about H of 3?
h of
Or is it the final answer?
सर h of 1 0 है और बाकी का बचा हुआ h of 3 है तो
अच्छा, H of 1 0 है. Okay. So this is H of 3. Okay. So finally this is equal to 2.12 minus j 2.12. Is it correct?
yes sir.
Okay. What about this H of 0?
1 plus j phi into नहीं ये तो सही है.
क्या आएगा? यही 1 minus
हाँ,
j phi.
हाँ नहीं इसमें 1 plus j phi into w4 raised to 0.
हाँ, और W4 raised to 0 आप जैसे जानते हो, this is equal to 1. So now let us calculate for this one. H of 1 is 0 minus minus plus, so this is 2.12 plus j 2.12. Is it correct?
Yes,
Into
sir.
W into
Yes, sir.
W4 raised to 1, of course. And W4 raised to 1 is how much? It is minus j1. W4 raised to 1 is minus j1.
Minus j1.
So solving for this, we have j into j square is minus 1 minus minus plus. So this is 2.12.
2.12 minus 2.123.
Yes, minus j 2.12. So we have solved the second stage. Okay. Just take snap of this particular. मैं पूछने वाला हूँ बराबर नेक्स्ट स्टेज में. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let me take new one. हाँ, अकेला स्नैप भी नहीं है, इसका रिजल्ट नोटबुक में लिखा है ना? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, लिखा है.
बराबर. चलो तो नेक्स्ट और फाइनल स्टेज. कंप्यूटेशन फॉर फाइनल स्टेज. कंप्यूटेशन फॉर फाइनल स्टेज oblique FFT of given sequence. Okay. So you know the equation, capital X of 0 is equal to क्या आएगा? P of 0 plus P of 1 बराबर है? डायग्राम चेक करो. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Similarly X of 1 is equal to into W2 raised to 0, but W2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this is simply equal to P0 minus P1.
नहीं सर x of 1 तो b of 0 plus b of 1 है.
Okay. Let me recall the diagram.
वो बिट रिवर्स पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग था ना इसलिए वहाँ पे x of 4 सेकंड पोजीशन पे था.
Yes. There I made the mistake. So if I want to write down this equation, then this should be x of 4. That's what the correct one, right? ये बराबर है? Okay. तो इस तरह से हम 4 के बाद लिखेंगे 2. क्या आएगा?
Q of 0 plus Q of 1.
or similarly Q of 0 minus Q of 1. I am not going to write to W2 raised to 0, but you will have to in the examination, right? Similarly, x of 4 equal to B0.
नहीं सर, ये x of 1 आएगा.
सॉरी, यस 0 4 2 6 मैंने वापिस गलती कर दी, यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी. 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 7 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 7 इक्वल्स टू, बोलो क्या आएगा, B0 प्लस
B1
B1. ये क्या आएगा, B0
minus B1 into
B1.
W2 raised to 0.
Yes, you will have to write W2 raised to 0. Don't jump the steps. C0 plus C1 and similarly C0 minus C1. Let us solve for this. P0 plus P1 क्या था result? P0 was
10
10
plus 7, 17.
plus 7.
Yes.
Okay, 17. Okay, now there is a way to check this. An easy check will be, can you tell me, बोलो कैसे कैसे ढूंढेंगे डायरेक्टली? इसको डायरेक्टली मुझे मैच करना है कि ये आंसर सही है कि नहीं. मैं क्या कर पाऊंगा, क्या कर सकता हूं यहाँ पे, बोलो. कैपिटल एक्स ऑफ 0 सही है कि नहीं मुझे एक ही झटके में चेक करना है, तो क्या कर सकता हूँ?
G of 0, G of 1, G of 2 and G of 3 का एडिशन.
नहीं, that's the normal way you have done here. What is capital X of 0? DC like component. So summation of all values of x of n. सैंपल आपको दिए गए हैं ना, x of n 3 1 5 4 2 1 0 1. ऐड करो कितना रिजल्ट आता है, देखो 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 2 15, 16 plus 0 16 plus 1 17. Is it correct? Is it correct way to compare? Yes. It's correct way. Why it is correct way? See, FFT and DFT are going to give you same result, and you know the equation of DFT, right? Equation of DFT is x of k equal to summation n equal to 0 to 7 x of n e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by 8 for capital N equal to 8. Now, as you want to find out for k equal to 0, you will have to rewrite the equation for k equal to 0, that is x of 0 equal to summation n equal to 0 to 7 x of n into e raised to 0, that is summation n equal to 0 to 7 x of n only, because e raised to 0 is 1. So this is just summation of all the samples in x of n. Are you following? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can we compare similar thing for x of 4, 2, 6? Can we find out these things directly? No. It's not simple. It's not simple summation, right? Trivial factors are there. So, okay. So, what is the answer? P of 0 and P of 1, 10 minus 7 is 10 minus 7.
3W2 raised to 0.
So, this is equal to 3. Correct? बराबर છે?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What about x of 2? જુઓ
0
0
plus J3.
શું લખો અહીંયા?
0 plus
0
J3.
plus J3.
0 plus J3. Okay. So this is equal to J3. Then उसके बाद बोलो 0
0
minus J3 equal to minus J3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, उसके बाद क्या लिखूं बोलो? B0
1 minus J5
1 minus J5. What about B1?
plus minus 2.12 minus J 2.12.
So solve for it. How much it is? 1 minus 2.12 is minus 1.12, right? And similarly, this is minus, this is plus. So हाँ बोलो.
नहीं सर, ये बीच में जो सब आपने दो ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में लगाया ना, वो प्लस आएगा, और अंदर वाला जो 2.12 है ना, वो माइनस का आएगा.
Okay, this is plus, this is minus, correct?
अंदर दोनों माइनस के हैं.
This is this correct?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Right, you are
Yes,
right,
sir.
because over here we have plus. That's why. Fine. So the real
J
part
5
is
J
minus
7.12
1.12 and
माइनस J 7.12.
J 7.12. You know the rule of reflection, right? That x of 1 should be repeated with complex conjugate sign in x of 7. बराबर है ना?
यस सर.
तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? माइनस 1.12 प्लस J 7.12. Don't write it down directly, just calculate. In the examination you will have to follow the steps. C0 minus C1 करोगे तो ये आ रहा है कि नहीं, just check for it. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly, can you tell me of which particular component x of 3 is the reflection? Capital X of 3 is the reflection. X of 3 किसका reflection है?
X of 5.
X of 5.
तो ये हमको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. X of 3 is reflection of
X of
पक्का?
5. यस सर.
1 का रिफ्लेक्शन किस में जाता है? 7 में जाता है. 2 का रिफ्लेक्शन किस में जाता है? 6 में जाता है. बराबर, देखो 2 का रिफ्लेक्शन 6 में गया है ना?
यस सर.
इसी तरह से 3 का रिफ्लेक्शन 5 में जाएगा. तो इन दोनों में से एक को तो कंप्यूट करना पड़ेगा. चलो B0 माइनस B1 को करते हैं, X5 को करते हैं. कितना आएगा? B0 कितना है?
3.12 माइनस J 2.88 फाइनल आएगा.
3. अच्छा, फाइनल बोलो वापिस. 3.12
माइनस J 2.88.
2.88. Okay, so if this is reflection, it should come about to be 3.12 plus J point. Is it matching? Just check for it.
यस सर.
करीन एक्यूरेटली और मैं पक्कू.
हाँ सर, पहले
Yes,
कर
sir.
दिया.
हाँ चलो मानी लइए. बराबर. So now finally you need to write down all the answers in this format after doing this calculation. बराबर. पहले x of 0 का जो भी आंसर आएगा यानी 17, उसके बाद कॉमा, उसके बाद 2 वाला कौन सा है? J3, कॉमा, उसके बाद कौन सा है? 3 वाला, देखो ये 3.12 plus J 2.88. दिस स्टेप इज नेसेसरी इन द एग्जामिनेशन. इसको आप ओमिट नहीं मत करना. बराबर. अगर मैं चेक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कोई एक्सटर्नल चेक कर रहा है तो इसकी इफेक्ट आएगी. हाँ या ना? बराबर है ना? क्यों
Sir,
इफेक्ट आएगी? बोल, क्यों इफेक्ट आएगी? आप बोल सकते हो, समझा सकते हो. एक्सटर्नल चेक करेगा तो इसकी इफेक्ट क्यों आ सकती है?
उनको सीक्वेंस में मिला होगा.
सीक्वेंस में ये भी है, और कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि he or she may not go through all the details of the calculation and may make the answer, final answer directly. So there he or she may wish to have look on the final answer. So please don't omit this step, right? With this,
sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, X of के बीट रिवर्स पैटर्न मत लखवाना. लास्ट में आंसर
नहीं,
लिखिए.
यहाँ पे तो यहाँ थोड़ा बीट रिवर्स में आएगा. स्टेज का आउटपुट बीट रिवर्स है. यहाँ पे x ऑफ k इक्वल टू एरे के फॉर्म में मैं लिख रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे तो मुझे पहले x ऑफ 0 लिखना पड़ेगा ना. ये तो मैं इसी तरह से लिखूंगा ना. ड्राइंग के अंदर बीट रिवर्स निकलता है. आर यू फॉलोइंग?
Yes, sir.
बराबर. ये फाइनल
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
है. जैसे x ऑफ n की सीक्वेंस आप लिखते हो, एग्जाम में दी गई होती है, तो किस तरह से देते हैं? वो एक के बाद ही एक देते हैं ना जनरली, राइट? तो ये भी आपको आंसर इसी तरह से लिखने हैं। इज इट क्लियर? ये डैश डैश नहीं करना है, डैश डैश
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
करना है, मैंने किया है, आपको आपको सारे लिखने हैं। So with this we have finished the topic of DIT as well as DIF. Why we have finished? Because some tasks are assigned to you. You will have to complete it. I may give some light on it in my next session, but may not go through all the details because this is given as an assignment. And later on, if I feel correct, if I feel appropriate, then I'll be uploading the derivations, snap of the derivations, right? Nothing else. So with this, let me finish this laboratory. Do you have any doubt to ask? Do you want to get answer to help you out for the question given to you as an assignment? आज जो मैंने आपको दिया है उसकी हेल्प के लिए आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, दूसरा भी कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हो। हेलो, इसी तरह से आपको न्यूमेरिकल दूसरे भी सॉल्व करने हैं, IFFT वाले, वो बुक में है, एक बार देख लो। मैंने आपको बुक के अंदर डायग्राम अलग तरह से दिया गया है, प्रोसीजर भी अलग है, हमको हमारी ही प्रोसीजर से जाना है। IFFT के लिए बुक की प्रोसीजर फॉलो मत करना, हमारे जो डेरिवेशंस है, हमारा जो बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम है वही यूज करना, बराबर? हेलो, आर यू लिसनिंग? हेलो,
Yes, sir. We are listening.
Yes, sir.
so in the book, diagram for IFFT, both for IFFT DIT and IFFT DIF are different, and you will have to follow our way and our equations. Whereas derivation and butterfly diagram developed for fast Fourier transform are exactly matching with the book, right? So procedure for mentioned in the book as well as whatever we have done are similar for FFT, but it is different for IFFT, and you will have to follow our path only. So with this, let me stop recording